With these hands, I will make a bright future.
With these hands, I will make a bright future.
With these hands, I will make a bright future.
With these hands, I will make a bright future.
There's lots of information out there about skilled trades, but we want to get it to you at the Top Performing Arts Center on September 25th from 6:30 to 8:30. You gotta be there. You don't want to miss it.
With these hands, I'm making a bright future.
What is Project Bright Future?
Project Bright Future is an event we're having here at the college on September 25th from 6:30 to 8:30, and it's really to kind of get the temperature of the 5-county region to establish a regional tech school right here at the college. As individual counties, it's very hard. As you know, we're small. We got little pieces of the pie to be able to offer programs to our kids in greater numbers. So the idea here is if we pool our assets as a region, we'd be able to offer more programs, therefore giving the kids more opportunities when they leave high school to have different career paths.